Sunshine shining on our faces, riding through our favorite places, laughing loud, we're feeling free. Just my mom and me.